between controlled and uncontrolled component?
Sir, control components in in the like after year 6 when we have sir in React 18 we have hooks like use state and other hooks. So if we use hooks in like functional components, then it will be like a controlled component. Like after rendering in the browser, like we can control their values and other things. And in uncontrolled component, it will be rendered once, and after that we don't have any connection to that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what is the difference between both? Controlled and uncontrolled. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. So a control component, like we can interact with them even after rendering in the browser, but in uncontrolled component we cannot control them. Like we
Sorry,
cannot access their values and we cannot change in them.
can you repeat it?
In uncontrolled component after rendering in the browser, like we cannot control them, their values and their parameters. While in controlled
So can you
components,
explain
we
programmatically like what you want to say? Whatever if you whatever want to, you want to say, can you just explain terms of programming?
also by writing code.
Hmm?
So, by writing code or creating function.
Yeah, writing the code. Just small code.
Okay, sir.
आप देखिए प्रॉब्लम हमारे कि हमें देखकर हमारा प्रोजेक्ट लिखा वो हो चुका है तो इंटरनेट पे अपने आप ही अच्छे इसमें हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते देखिए जितना तो टाइम होता है इंटरनेट पर पूरा तो प्रॉब्लम है सारे घंटे होता है मैक्सिमम तो अपग्रेड करेंगे उससे करेंगे आपका हो जाएगा मतलब नया डोमेन आधे घंटे में हो जाता है आपका सेलेक्ट करिए क्योंकि वो इसका कुछ हमारा भी कंट्रोल हो गया अभी सर आपका नया डोमेन अब आप अपना काम कर सकते हैं लोग आपके डोमेन में लाइव नहीं है आपको बस तो मतलब प्रॉब्लम हो तो वो कम क्या कर सकते हैं तो मुझे तो प्रॉब्लम था अभी हम कुछ करेंगे तो पेमेंट हमारे कंट्रोल में होता नहीं है आपको इस पे चेक करेगा कर आप पूरे बिजनेस का कंट्रोल किसी के कॉन्टेक्ट में नहीं होता है तो वो अपने आप ही अपडेट होता है सर आप देखिए आप वेट कर लीजिए उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करते हम आपको लिंक भेज दे रहे हैं आप चेक कर आपका डोमेन पहले से ही रजिस्टर खोल चुका है अब उसमें हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं आप पूरा तो वेट कर सकते हैं नया डोमेन कुछ टोटल करने में टाइम लगेगा ही जैसे आप थोड़ा सा वेट कर लीजिए अब उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा सर आप ये बताइए डोमेन होता है कि आप उन्हीं से कॉन्टेक्ट कर लीजिए वही आपको बता देंगे आप उन्हीं से कॉन्टेक्ट करके पूछिए नया डोमेन लगता है कि चला है अब रजिस्टर होने को अगर हम आपका छोटी बोल के आप वहाँ पे ले लीजिए तो क्या हम बोल रहे हैं रजिस्टर हो चुका है नहीं हुआ होता तो हम तक कर सकते थे अब आपको जब चीजें नहीं पता तो उसमें हम क्या बोले आपको वो जो बताना कि अच्छा नहीं रहेगा सारी चीजें आपका मतलब हमेशा उल्टा नहीं दे आप दस तुम्हें ऐसे कर रहे हैं कसम से एक दो रूम में प्रॉब्लम हो गई है हमारा अपना फीलिंग में रखते हो क्या है प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है तो हम क्या करें अब जो चीज हमारे कंट्रोल में होता है वो चीज मैं आपको पहले सारी करके बता आपको आपको दिन भेजा आप चेक कर लीजिए
So, hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, like I have rendered this section component and this are like paragraph section. But this section like we can change our handle after even after sir rendering in the browser. But this is like static component. We cannot change.
Can you show me the code?
Yes, sir. Like I have used state here, then React will lock it like this control. This component can be changed later. Yes, sir.
But it's wrong, yeah. It's not correct. No worry, you can read it out later after the interview. Okay. Now let's move to the one different problem. Okay, you have a given one API link. Write the code to fetch the data from the API by using async await and useEffect hooks in React. Okay, I have sent you the question link.
Okay, sir. Sir, what data to display?
The complete data, whatever. I have sent you the API link. You can refer in the chat section. Yeah, this complete data you
I
have to display. First, try to fetch the data in the console.log. Then we will discuss later what you have to display on the UI. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me the code. Use.async await console.log data. Okay. So do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Can you just sort this data based on the name property? So what does that means? It means that the name which start with A comes first, then B, then C, right? So you have to sort the name data alphabetically. Okay, got it?
Sir, I have done this previously, but I cannot recall it. Hello, sir.
So are you able to add that functionality?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to add that functionality?
Sorry, sir. Your voice is not clear.
That's right. I'm saying that are you able to add that functionality or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to add that functionality or not?
Uh, no, sir, like function implemented, but sorting is not working properly. So
Okay, yeah,
I'm
okay,
missing,
leave
sir.
it. Let's discuss one more problem. Okay, so can you just tell me how we can use memo hook? What is the use of use memo hook?
Sir, like use memo hook, we used to like optimization in React. Like if we have some next components in app which we render, but this component will we do not change. Like some fixed component like paragraph or headings, then we can use memo to that component. So until and unless parameters for that component will not change, this component will not re-render again.
Can you explain programmatically? Just take a small example. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. So it will be like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Use memo. React dot use memo. Can you take any different example? Any other example, so that it can be understandable, like what you want to explain. Okay.
Sir, like we can pass up some prop here, and if we change that prop in network change, this component will re-render. If the prop will not change, this will.
No, it is not like that. Okay, tell me what is the use of use ref hook?
Sir, use ref hook like we use to like we use as a reference to some data. Like if we have any input field, we can use ref here. Then we can collect that data anytime. Use ref, sir, will not trigger component re-rendering at use
Can you
state.
explain programmatically? Just take a small example. Create one input field and handle the user input value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, like I have and in SQL and a reference, I have pointed to the name, and name is using useRef, sir, and I have added just on-chain handler to like
So,
to print it,
so this
and
is the
then I'm entering.
uncontrolled component, okay?
Yes,
Control
sir.
component, we can, this is the uncontrolled component. That's why I asked at the beginning of the interview, control difference between control and uncontrolled. So this is the uncontrolled. Why using the user if you are handling the things, right?
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Like, sir, if we use state there, it will be like controlled.
Yes, yes. Got it, right?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, can you just display some of the details from the previous question, fetch data on the UI, like name and email? I think there is two properties are there, name and username or email. These two properties are sufficient to display on the HTML page, okay?
Sir, name and
Username or email, it's based on you.
the need some spelling or like
Show me the code. So data.map you are using. Are you sure that all the times you are getting the data? What if data is not present? Then your code will be like breaking, right? Your code will be breaking if data is not coming from the API. So you have to give some check at least. So just make sure.
sir, here I can check if like response dot okay is true, sir. If it is true, sir, then like we can process, otherwise we can handle it here. If like this URL is not working. Like sir, here we have like
Yes,
response dot okay is true
use
and
that.
response
Use
code
that.
is 200 and other stuff.
Yeah, modify your
Like if it
code.
is, yes sir.
Modify your code based on that. Okay.
So like I can optimize this like printing outside table, sir. It will work, sir. So,
Yes. Hello.
yes, sir. So like in this case, it is printing data is not loaded while it is giving 404. And if like I correct this,
So just display the message on the UI. Okay.
right, okay.
Right.
So just like print this status code, it will be fine.
Okay, that's current data not loaded. That's fine. Okay, so can you just tell me what is the use of hoisting in JavaScript?
So hoisting like in this function, if I have initialize some variable here, then in the call stack it will be like initialization of the variable will be moved to the top, so top of the function and top of the test, and that is scope. Variable initialization will move to the top. Variable declaration will not be like affected.
Okay. Okay, so thank you, Nair. Thanks for your time. I will update your feedback after some time. Okay. And just make sure,
Thank you so much, sir.
just try to finish the code, whatever is remaining for the sorting, right? So just take that,
So
what is the
like
issue
I
with
have
that.
done it previously, but I'm missing something here. Like
Yeah, no issue. You can take a look into it. Okay. So thank you, Nair. Thanks.